Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the filter of your LG dishwasher. To remove and install this filter, no tools are required. It's very easy to do. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So some of the reasons why you may find you need to replace that filter is over time they will tend to wear and break down and the mesh will start to develop holes, thereby negating the effect of the filter. As well as you may find that you're starting to notice some performance as far as the dishes not coming completely clean and you're not getting good clean water that's washing those dishes and you're finding food debris up on top of the dishes. To gain access to the filter, you're simply going to open the door, remove the rack, and you just need to line up your spray arm so that you can easily get in and remove that filter up and out. So you're just going to take hold of the filter, turn it counterclockwise to release it, and just lift it straight out. So when you take your filter out, you'll just want to inspect it. If you're having problems with the washability and food particles getting through and up onto your dishes, chances are there's a hole or a tear somewhere in this mesh, in which case there's no question you need to replace your filter. It's pretty easy to do. Once you have the old one out, you're just going to bring your new one in. To install our filter, you're just going to push it back down into the hole, let it drop in. Just rotate it clockwise until it latches. So there you can see just how easy it is to install a new filter in the base of your Samsung dishwasher.